If you want to embed a Lucidchart diagram, there are actually two simple ways to do it, and the best method depends on where you plan to use it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed Lucidchart using an embed code for websites and blogs, and how to use a publish link for tools like Notion, Bit.ai, or Confluence. This is a great way to share interactive diagrams, keep your visuals updated, and make your content look much more professional. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's look at method 1, which is using an embed code. This is the best option if you're working with a website, blog, or any platform that supports HTML. The big advantage here is that your Lucidchart diagram can appear as an interactive, resizable element right inside your page. So instead of just uploading an image, viewers can interact with the diagram directly. To begin, open your diagram inside Lucidchart. Make sure you're in the correct document before you continue, because the embed code will be generated for the diagram that's currently open. Once your diagram is ready, look to the top left corner of the canvas and click the More menu. This is the menu with the 3 horizontal lines. From there, hover over Share and then choose Embed from the drop-down list. After you click Embed, Lucidchart will open a pop-up window with your embed options. Here, you can choose a preset frame size or set a custom size if you want the diagram to fit a specific space on your site. This part is helpful if you want your diagram to match the layout of your page more cleanly. Once you've chosen the size, click Activate Embed Code. Lucidchart will generate the HTML snippet for you. Now copy that code carefully. This is the code you'll paste into your website or blog editor. Open the page or post where you want the diagram to appear, switch to the HTML or code editor, and paste the embed code directly into the content. After you save or publish the page, the Lucidchart diagram should appear right on the site, ready for visitors to view and interact with. Now let's move on to method 2, which uses a publish link. This is the easier option for platforms that don't require raw HTML, such as Notion, Bit.ai, or Confluence. Instead of pasting code, you'll generate a shareable URL that can be embedded or previewed by the destination platform. To do this, go back to your Lucidchart document and click the More menu again in the top left corner. This time, select Publish from the dropdown. In the publishing settings, choose Full Document URL, then click Publish Page or Generate Link, depending on what your version of Lucidchart shows. Once the link is created, copy the URL to your clipboard. Next, go to the platform where you want to place the diagram. For example, if you're using Notion or Bit.ai, open the page where you want the content to appear. Paste the Lucidchart link into the page. In many cases, the platform will automatically recognize the link and ask whether you want to embed it or display it as a preview. If prompted, choose Embed so the diagram appears more naturally inside your page. This method is especially useful when you want to keep your workflow simple and avoid dealing with HTML code. It's also a great option for collaboration tools, team documentation, and internal knowledge bases. Depending on the platform, the embedded diagram may update automatically when changes are made in Lucidchart, which saves time and keeps your content current. A few quick tips before you finish. First, always make sure your Lucidchart sharing permissions are set correctly, especially if you want other people to view the embedded diagram. Second, choose the right method based on the platform you're using, because not every site supports full embed code. And third, test the final result after publishing so you can confirm the diagram displays properly on desktop and mobile. So to recap, if you're working with a website or blog, use the embed code method. If you're using a modern workspace tool like Notion or Confluence, use the publish link method. Both are simple, effective, and beginner-friendly once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped you embed Lucidchart more easily, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.